What's up, guys? Your boy's back. It's been a few years. Lots changed. New wife, new life. I got a kid now. And it's been a while since my steak video went viral, but I figured it was time to come back and let's kick it off again. So today, I'm going to show you how to cook a ribeye steak like a boss, part 2. Let's get it. Going on, guys? Your boy is back. It's been 6 years since my steak video went stupid viral. So I come back, I finally decided we're gonna put some money and some time into this thing and do what we love in the kitchen with the camera on. You feel me? So today I'm coming back with part 2 of how to cook a ribeye steak like a boss after 6 years of cooking a whole lot of steaks. So I got a new wife, a new life, I got a kid. Man, times have changed so much for us, and God's been good, so we're gonna fix these steaks. I gotta rub a little olive oil on these bad boys. We're gonna do a little sea salt, a little cracked peppercorn, get them seasoned up, because that's all you need. You don't need nothing else. If you need something else, you didn't get a good cut. Alright? You can already see that garlic butter from Sam's Club in the background. You already know we're going to be using that. Yeah, it's been a while. And there's been a lot of y'all on this YouTube video that, well, I say it like this. I got a lot of haters, okay? But I love it. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. It's fuel for the fire. So your boy, the boss, is back, and we're gonna cook this steak. Look at that peppercorn, boy. Gotta heat that grill up. You know your boy is on the Blackstone now. I done got me a grill. Well, actually, my wife bought it for me as a present for graduation. I won't tell you what I graduated from, but I did graduate, so she got me a present. Now we're gonna take these steaks out to the grill. Look at this sweet little shot. Man, them some pretty steaks, boy. What? We're fitting to throw them on there. The Blackstone is lit. And guys, this right here, the Meter made, oh my gosh, Bluetooth meat thermometer. Shout out to Meter, and they're amazing thermometers. I'm gonna keep plugging them through this whole video because their product is unbelievable. You should definitely get it. I'm gonna leave a link in the bio you can use to purchase one if you'd like. My wife got it for me for Christmas, and it is a godsend. You just stick it in the meat, connect it to your phone, tell your phone what you want, how you want the meat cooked, and it does pretty much everything for you. It's awesome. We're gonna chop up a little garlic, and then we're gonna get these bad boys on the grill. Now the Blackstone is a step up for me because I'm used to doing it in a pan, and a lot of people made fun of me for not doing it in cast iron. Oh boy, you hear that sizzle? That's funny, dude. Oh yeah, that's that sound you're looking for right there. Yo, those are some pretty pieces of meat. My goodness, I'm telling y'all, your boy done come a long way. Your boy has come a long way. So we cooking it up on the Blackstone. Super upgrade from the last video in my little saucepan. There it is. There's your boy, the boss. We're gonna cook it up. I got a little bit of butter and garlic over there. We're gonna use that in a little bit. But dude, this Blackstone is a game changer. You can cook anything on this thing, but it's great for steaks because it's such a hot surface. You don't have to worry about flame burning your steaks. It's a little side shot of them cooking. And like I said, the Meter is such a good tool to have because, you know, sometimes some people aren't as apt to cooking things on the grill, and sometimes it gets overcooked, but the Meter's going to make sure that you don't do that. So super foolproof. We give these steaks a flip, let them get good and charred on both sides, and we're going to throw the butter on, baby. Got a little bit of that Sam's Club garlic butter. That's the sauce, dude. Nothing else. Salt, pepper, garlic butter, and real garlic. So I know in the first video I said something about not wanting to bite down on a piece of garlic, but I freaking love garlic. Don't know why I said that. That was stupid. Throw that garlic on there. Let that garlic, dude, that garlic butter from Sam's Club, unbelievable. You got to get some. If you don't have a Sam's Club near you, you can order it online, I'm sure. Definitely a must-have. We're going to get that garlic on there. And when you're cooking them on a Blackstone, you don't really have the opportunity to baste them from like a pot unless you have a pot of butter separate that you're cooking on the side of the grill. And you can do that, but I just kind of like to let them swim in it a little bit and go up under it with my spatula thing and kind of drown it a little bit with that. And I just kind of flip them in it, let them swim in that butter for a few minutes. And man, these steaks is going to be smacking, dude. But yeah, it's been a long time since we did a video, so I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you. Appreciate y'all all the support. It's done been fun, and we're gonna start pumping some videos out for y'all. I appreciate all my subscribers, my followers. Love y'all. Y'all been a huge help in making this happen. We're gonna take these bad boys off now. Let's get them off of there. Oh yeah, you got to scoop a little bit of that butter and that garlic up. Got to. Just put it right on top of them. Look at that. Boy. Dang. Them steaks look good, bro. Let's throw them things off. Dang, dude. Them things are gonna be great. If you can do that, anybody can do this. You can do it at your house. It's so easy. People think you gotta go to a steakhouse for a bomb steak. But you wanna learn how to cook it like a boss? You know you come to the right place. Cooking with the boss. Let's get it. Look at that final product. Just let them rest for a little while. We're gonna take the meter out. We're done with that. And like I said, I'm gonna plug that in the description. The link will be in the description for that if you want to buy one for yourself. Excellent purchase. 10 out of 10 recommend. That's what it looks like. And they got different models and stuff, but that's just the basic one. So excellent product. Now let's slice these bad boys up and see that money shot. Let's go ahead and cut that cap off. No cap. Here we go. This is what we all came for. See, I never even sliced them on the first video, which was stupid. But you guys had quite a bit to say about it in the comments. Let me know if my methods have gotten a little bit better or worse in your opinion, or what you think I need to do differently. I cook them kind of different pretty much every time I do it now, but it all kind of stays the same as far as the basic ingredients with salt, pepper, garlic butter, olive oil. Look at that. Perfect. Medium rare, bro. Perfect. Absolutely smacking, dude. Look at that. And you guys can do this at your house. This is stupid easy. You got a birthday or a date night you want to do at the house, man. Make sure you let those steaks rest a little bit though on that cutting board. Let them soak that juices back up. Look at that. Perfect. Medium rare. Let's get it. We got to taste a piece of this. Listen, thank y'all. It's your boy, the boss. Love y'all. We'll see you in the next video. Look at that. Like a boss. That's how you cook a ribeye steak like a boss 6 years later. Absolutely smacking, dude.